This is my wood-burning stove in my workshop. Once I build a fire nice and hot, I use fans to help distribute the heat throughout the space. This fan blows across the stove, drawing off heat and blowing it toward the front of the workshop. I'm adding another fan to help circulate this warm air and try and bring it down off the ceiling. I'm going to attach this fan to the ceiling truss. I start by attaching 2 eye hooks to the bottom of the fan frame. Since the fan vibrates, I also add some thread lock to ensure everything stays in place. I don't want this thing falling on anyone. I'm using 2 eye hooks to help keep the fan from rotating while in use. I reattach the grate to the fan frame, and now it's ready to mount. I connect the large U-bolt to the truss and tighten everything down. I then plug it in, and it's ready to go. So now the fan is mounted. The large U-bolt wraps around the ceiling truss. Again, I use thread locker to keep everything in place. The power cord is neatly wrapped and plugged in. You may notice the fan is upside down. This is so the control switch is facing down, making it easier to reach with just a small step stool. Back to the big picture. The first fan blows the heat off the stove toward the front of the workshop. The truss-mounted fan blows the heat across the workshop ceiling and down the far wall. At least that's the idea. I have several outlets mounted to the truss. They are connected to certain bays of lights. So when the lights are on, the fan is running, and when the lights are off, the fan shuts down, and I don't have to remember to turn it off after leaving the workshop.